You know what? I was just died emotionally, not physically. The thing is that I was 18 and it's my annual function. It's in 11th class. I was completely confident. It's my topic, first time to speak in front of all audience in my school. So I was sure that yeah, I did great job like that. So I was just in front of mirror. I just prepared 50 times and I was too confident. When I was going to just, you see my confidence, let me show you. I was just going to just stage and I was just see my script. I keep it told that I did before not, but I will give best instead of just seeing this. I just keep it in my bag and I say yes, not bag, pocket exactly. So when I started my speech, hello everyone, it's Harshita. And then when I saw audience, these 4 people, I was just blank. They are staring me like I just take loan from them. And my confidence from here to here. I was so short, I have nothing to say and I was completely blank. I was just staring my teachers that please help me, I don't want to do it, please, I can't. And they are just making me calm. You can do it, you can do it. And I was just continuing and I said, yeah, I said that please listen me, and instead of saying I am so happy, I said I am so happy. And everyone exactly like this. So I was just shocked and I was so embarrassed from that, like how I can face my friends and teachers all okay, they think that no, she is tired, she can do, but what about my friends? They are just making joke from me what I can do. And even of course it's a Gen Z, so I just have backstabbed by, maybe I was backstabbed by my friends and they just kept me alone. So I have so overthinking, but from that day was thinking, and now when it's like 2 a.m. my thinking was that I just love myself that the problem was not so big, but I make it big. So it's a ज्ञान के बाद, not guys. So I just make it big and it's not a very big thing. From that day when I started, now I'm just representing my communication skill. I know I'm not very well going. I have not good communication skill, but I try. I am improving. So from that day now I am confident, and not really much, but I am trying to be confident in front of camera, in front of people. So yeah, that's how it is. So I would say that keep trying, and this is my experience from my side. And maybe you also have that type of sometimes embarrassing moment when you try something and it's happened something different, unexpected thing different. So please comment down what your experience on that and what your thought on my way, what I did wrong thing. Even you know what, when, let me tell you one thing more, it's a top secret. So I told you, when my friends call me and they say that hello Harshita, I'm so happy. They are always first line for that, I'm so happy. And it's not a roasting guys, it's not they want to feel me embarrassed, it's a teasing thing that we just did wrong in my childhood. It's not a wrong, it's just a try what I want to do, so I did. It's not a very big thing. So if you want to try, take a one step. I know it's uncomfortable, but it's ज्ञान के बाद. So please try, please just go what you want, because you have only one life. I'm going to no, one life. So okay, bye bye, share your in comment, bye bye, love you.